2018 Chevy Camaro SS 6.2 liter beast. Really beautiful car. One of my favorites. Again, I got a lot of favorites. Anyways, got 4 catalytic converters, 2 on here, 2 over here. Then it's got a factory flex pipes there. Then a factory X pipe. And then what we got put on it, we took the huge muffler that comes on these out on the back out and put 2 FLOWMASTER Outlaws S series, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, 15430 S's, 2 of them right there. There'll be a link in the description for them. As you guys can see, 1 here and 1 here. And then it's got 5-inch black tips that we put on it. There'll be a link in the description for them if we can find them for you. Right there, double wall. As you guys can see, it came out really clean, really beautiful. Hope you guys like it. Let us know if you, in the comments, what do you think of the sound of it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And sharing is caring. 2014 Chevy Camaro SS. Still got the factory converters there and there. It's got a total of 4. Then we put a bolt-on BORLA kit. I'll get you guys the number in a second so you can see the link in the description. Has a full BORLA catback system from right there, from the original clamps back on each side, with an X-pipe, built-in X-pipe. Then it continues 2 1/4 all the way back into some BORLA Ataks. Right there and right there. There's the kit. Goes all the way straight back into some 4-inch double wall tips. There and there. The BORLA kit system is a 140532. If you guys are interested, there'll be a link in the description to where to purchase it. All right, guys. Hope you guys like it. 2011 Chevy Camaro convertible SS 6.2 liter V8, beast of a motor. Got 4 converters. It's a California edition. 2 here, 2 there. Then it had an X pipe in it, but he said it wasn't loud enough, so we did an X pipe delete. Right there, it's true dual all the way back, and then we got another surprise. The True Duals here was done earlier by somebody else a few years ago. And then we put some 5-inch angle cut tips to really fit the holes in there. Came out really beautiful. We angled the tips a little bit. It just flows with the turn, the roundness of it. There and there. Chevy Camaro SS. Let you guys hear it in a second. 2018 Chevy Camaro SS. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. That sounds so good. There's that huge muffler we cut off. Replace it with Outlaws. Again? No. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 120. Go ahead and back it up. Got such a nice bite to it. Wow. You hear it? Much better. Sure. Awesome, man. I love that sound of that. FLOWMASTER Outlaw, 5-inch tips. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Instagram tag us at the Exhaust Addicts. Yeah, oh, put it in park. I forgot the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. About 103, 104. It's not too bad. It's perfect. It'll probably get a little bit louder too.
Yeah, I'm thinking about putting some headphones.
Oh, really? Hell yeah. Are you gonna get long tubes?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have them with cat? We can put them on as long as they have cats.
Yeah, they gonna have them off.
Yeah, bring them. We can put them in for you.
I was gonna ask y'all.
Yeah. He's the master of those. You'll just have to leave them with us for a day or so. Let you guys hear on the inside. And this is everything we cut off right there. X-pipe, tips. Look at those tiny tips that were on it. Nobody likes those. We're like 5-inch, 6-inch. Don't you guys agree? Hit the like button. Go ahead. Customer agrees. Hell yeah. Sound decibels? Go ahead. Again. It's 116. Not bad at all. I love it. That's everything we cut off right there. Just in case you cut through the video. Oh, that sounds so good. We definitely got what he wanted. He wanted it loud. We made it louder. Because it was already straight pipe, but it wasn't loud enough. That X pipe really restricted the sound. Chevy Camaro True Dual, straight pipe. Does it have a cold air intake? That helps a lot too. More air in, better sound out. Let you hear it on the inside. Chevy Camaro 6.2 liter V8 beast. Really beautiful car. Look at that. FLOWMASTer Outlaw 6.2 liter X5. FLOWMASTer Outlaw S's. And 5-inch black tubes. Look at that rabbit. Not bad. Chevy Camaro. Beautiful car. Any car in black never disappoints. You notice? The look, it just changes the whole look of it. Even a Prius. Sick. Beast mode. Hope you guys enjoy. Chevy Camaro SX. Convertible. Here it is at idle. smells so good. I love it. True dual straight pipe with 5-inch dick.